There are a lot of immediate needs right now in West Alabama, but there's always been needs, and I think this recent situation with the tornado has opened a lot of people's eyes to the needs that were there before the tornado, also right now after the tornado.
Individual tragedies happen all the time. People lose their jobs, or they have a house fire, or their child gets sick. And these agencies are there for those people when these tragedies happen every day.
The United Way organizations really reach out and serve, and I've been very impressed with the passion that they show in the service that they do.
The United Way does cover so much ground. It's not just focused on one population, not one type of need.
Well, I've always thought United Way was very important. And if it didn't exist, you'd have to invent it.
Live thoughtfully means to me is being considerate of others and always putting others before yourself. It's very easy every day to think of yourself and your needs. But it's always important to think of the needs of other people and just to kind of live your life through that. The whole community has been affected, whether something was destroyed or not. Everyone's felt the entire wrath of the tornado, and so I think the agencies have done a great job just collaborating, and it also, has been great awareness for them. So everyone's been able to see, wow, the United Way has all these wonderful agencies and they have something for disaster relief or for youth or for the elderly, and I'm able to help with that.
One of the newer aspects of the Success by Six program has been the Dolly Parton Imagination Library. When you sign up, a child from birth to age 5 can receive a hardback book every month, a new one every month. From birth, from the time you sign up until they're 5 years old. Just think of the library that a child could get that may not have any books in their home or very few, just by signing up and it coming to them in the mail, so they don't have to go anywhere, don't have to do anything. Once it's signed up, it is delivered to them.
I have a little sister and big brothers, big sisters, and her family lived over in Holt, and they were affected by the storms too. And they called me and they wanted to know where they could go, what they could do, and the first thing I thought of were some of our agencies, Told them to contact the Red Cross, let them know what was going on over in their neighborhood, told them to go to temporary emergency services because they needed clothes and diapers for the baby because they had just had a newborn baby. When my parents' house burnt down, I was actually walking through some of the rubble and I saw a card from someone from the local Red Cross who had already come out there and left their card just to let them know that they were there and they could help them if they needed anything. So our agencies were just everywhere in a variety of ways.
211 is a number you can call if you need help with any type of social service, whether it's food, clothing, prescription medication assistance. We are the number to call for any type of social service needs you might have. You can call us on a landline, a cell phone. You can even give us an email, and we will respond to you. But we're just the number to call for any type of social service you may have. We're in Tuscaloosa and the surrounding counties.
When you give to United Way, your money is going to go to so many organizations that do so much good. I mean, it's going to go to help children, it's going to go to help adults, it's going to help with education, income, health.
These organizations really impact almost every facet of life in West Alabama. It's not just about what happens in a particular organization, but it's everything from helping to feed people, to helping children, to helping the elderly.
Everybody wants to know, what can we do when something happens? Just donate money, and if you donate money each year, those dollars will stay here in town and help people who need it, especially in time of disaster.
It all goes in your community. Very little of it goes out of your community. And like I said before, if it didn't exist, you'd have to invent it.